Hey guys, it's Zenda.
I just don't find Mabel.
Oh. Mabel sort of wandered off. So we'll be right back so we can find her. We're back and we found Mabel! Come on, Mabel, say hi. Cupcake. No, Mabel, you're eating a cupcake, aren't you?
No, I'll sit and talk here. Hi, you two. It's my crazy octopus. Mabel.
And Zenda.
She's so crazy. She was crazy for Snowden. She's famous. She's awesome.
So we're going to be getting on my Animal Jam account like we promised. So remember last episode we did, your Animal Jam?
Mm-hmm.
Also, Samantha Pines is... Okay, we're not doing face. Sorry. Samantha Pines, my main channel, you say sub us to get a shout out from Samantha Pines. So here we are. Animal Jam's loading. I don't think I've been on today. If I have, then I don't know. It's loading. Okay, so here we are. And what? What? Okay. I gotta edit some things out here. I think I might have been on because then I don't know. I probably have been on, but yeah, this is my Animal Jam. I'm Bunny Hopper Girl 101. And hers is Jumpy Jump, which we are currently not on right now.
I got to school today.
Yep, Mabel got to go to school today, and I heard she loved it. Now, Zenda, I can't go, but I can pretty much go. I can go, but, I can't go, this doesn't make sense. Well, I can go, okay? But Mabel, she goes to kindergarten. And me, Zenda, boom. Deal. Okay. But anyways, the beta party's on right now. That's just cool. Okay, I'm turning my sound on because I have my sound off. But Mabel's eating a cupcake. But our next video might be a face video. We're not sure. It might not. Might not. But yeah, next video might be a video with Zenda and Mabel. But it might be our Club Penguin accounts. Might be our next video. We're not sure. So yeah, I already have all the items except the non-member items. I just became a non-member, so...
Why don't you have the non-member stuff?
Because I really don't really like it. If you know what I mean. This is my den. Come here, or something. Yeah.
Can I come to your den?
Yeah, whenever we get on your account. Okay. So you see I got a telescope. Is that the only party? The bee party isn't on. When will the bee party be on? Well, not anytime soon.
Well, can we go to the carnival?
On my account? I guess. There you go. It's technically not summer anymore. I mean.
Yeah, but we will make a swimming pool tomorrow.
No. Okay, so here we are at the carnival.
Just like the new episode of Wonder.
Yeah. Okay.
We joined
Okay. 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 I'm gonna make some cotton candy.
Black? Can we make it pink too?
No, this is mine.
So you can put whatever color you want till you're done.
Now do you see?
Yeah.
I got a phantom ones.
That's how you make fan ones.
Yep, so guys, if you didn't know, that's how you make phantoms.
Well, can we make a pink fan?
Nope.
Pink for the love phantoms.
I'll try, but I don't think you can. Here, let me. But why would you have a bonfire?
Why?
Pink.
And
Why?
and some more pink. Will you take the blue fans, the swimming fan? Yum! Yum!
Nope, it doesn't make a phantom.
But it makes a black.
Yay. Well, here, let's see. Any other parties? Nope. Next.
Oh, I want to come to a boat party.
That's in 24 minutes. Zenda and Maven. That's
Let's go to the boat party.
we forget each other's names. We can't do it, but we could do it in 24 minutes, Mabel. I can forget each other's names. Like seriously. Face.
Oh, no, calm down, Mabel.
Mabel just goes crazy.
Pig right now.
Well, we're gonna end it off here. But in the next video, do you want us to do a face video? Or do you want us to do a visual sight video? Tell us in the description below. And remember, if you subscribe us, you get a shout out from Samantha Pines. Okay, bye. Say bye, Mabel.
Bye.
Bye.